TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 34, Nasdaq's down 6. Dow Industrials is down 34, Nasdaq is down 6. S&Ps are off 4.5. Gold contracts up $3.10, trading at $12.30 an ounce. You have silver up 2 cents, $16.29 an ounce. Platinum is down $1 at $9.12 an ounce. A light sweet crude just can't catch a bid, flat, $46.32 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 3 ticks, 125.03. 30-year bond off 11 ticks, 151.15. Now both notes and bonds, folks, did it again last week. They rejected lower price on the daily, on the weekly. Bottom line, they want higher price, lower yield. King Dollar's up 322 ticks, trading at 98.845. King Dollar broke its March swing low last week. Had lighter volume. It's trying to get back inside there right now. What I expect you're going to see is a failure. King Dollar wants to run down to this 97 to 96 area. The euro is trading at 109 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at 112 to the U.S. dollar. If we get over and we take a look at the S&Ps, what you have happening is this. You had the S&P as well as the NDX 100 futures closed right at their highs. The high that we're talking about is 2397.75. We hit 2403 this morning, and we'll see whether that's it or not. Bottom line is that the battle is going to be right at this level, because what you have, there's neither conviction to basically get up and over this level, nor at this particular point to go downtown. If we go take a look at the NASDAQ 100, what you have with the NASDAQ 100, that also got up to its highs, over the highs, 56.60. So now the challenge is going to be, okay, does it come off those highs with volume on the way down? And when I say that there's no particular challenge to go higher or lower, specifically what I mean is that once you test highs, bottom line is that if you don't dive after testing that high, that thing's going to build cause to go to higher price. So today we'll find out real quickly, I suspect the next 2 or 3 hours, which way this baby wants to go. Gold contract trading up $2.90. What gold had done last week is that it rejected lower price coming into the March 15th level. Right now you're at $12.29. Bottom line is that you want to see more strength than we have thus far. We got to $12.36. You're at $12.29. That being said, the XAU and the HUI, they're set up really nice. The XAU, the HUI, they've rejected lower price on the daily, on the weekly, dramatically lighter volume. They want higher price. So I expect what we're going to see is we're actually going to see the equities, the gold and silver equities, lead the contract. Silver still needs a bid. Bottom line, silver's down for 3 weeks straight. We come off the 1872 area. It's laying there at 1628. 1628, folks, is the level where it got smoked in December when it come down to 1606. Then it did have strength on the January 3rd, where it went from 16 to 1664. But bottom line, you need some strength. The bonds and the notes continue to say that, number one, they want higher price. Number two, lower yield is coming at us. And number three, what that sets up, if we go over to King Dollar, that is setting up. Bottom line is that this S&P wants to pull back. Good old King Dollar right now is up 322 ticks. You have 18,000 contracts traded. We are at 98,850. Your benchmark is 98,670. That's the number you want to keep your eye on. What I expect we're going to see here is that it's not going to be able to get back in the higher range. If this thing gapped down on the 24th of April, that gap down basically took it out of the higher range. This thing is building cause now to get into the 96 to 97 area where the November 9th updraft started. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051. That's 855-750-4051, or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.